Detectives is filmed on location in Podunk County.
Sure is awfully quiet today. Oh, I'm sure we'll get a call for something. Ever a dull moment in this town.
Calling all cars. We need a unit to respond. Suspect trying to replace his own camshaft. Doesn't have a clue what he's doing. Sounds like he might even be under the influence of something. Proceed with caution.
10-4, we're on it. Whoa, whoa! Cease! Drop the tool! Put your hands where I can see them! Hey man, I'm just trying to change camshank on this thing, man! Yeah, we see that. Doesn't look like you got a clue what you're doing. Drop the tools, leave it to the professionals. Step away from the tools, sir! We don't want this to turn ugly! Well, just gonna take these pinchers right here and start turning them. Whoa! Do not do that! Put the tools down, sir! Step away from the tractor. Do you want to get shot?
He's been drinking all day. Been trying to fix that mower. He don't know what he's doing.
Hey, quit bothering me and go back inside, alright? Well, you know what, detectives? I'm just trying to save a couple bucks by working on myself. I wasn't trying to hurt the little fella. Yeah, well, when we get a call saying that you're abusing equipment, misusing tools and drinking, then it becomes our problem. So put the tools down. Drop them. Aren't you already on probation? Well, yeah, for botched valve job I did last summer, but so what? You're in violation of your probation. We're gonna have to take you downtown to sort this out. Well, I ain't going back to no jail, so you're here. Oh, you're running, you're running. Whoa. Where'd he go? That way. Whoa. He's a creature of habit. He's got to be hiding amongst these lawnmowers. Let's split up. All right. Alright, not another step closer or this coil gets you. Whoa, you don't want to do that. You're in enough trouble already. Come on, just put the coil down. Just put it down. I'm crazy, man. I'll do it. Just back up, alright? Not another step closer.
Tandy, put them cutters down. Turn yourself in.
Listen to her, Tandy. We don't want this to go any further than it already has. Well, if I turn myself in, will you be waiting for me on the outside? With my favorite pot roast in the oven, fire in the place, and Dog the Bounty Hunter Season 3 on DVR?
Anything you want, hon. Put them cutters down. Nobody wants to see you harm that coil.
All right, baby. I'll do it for you. I love you.
Get him. Don't hurt him.
Get off me.
Don't hurt him.
Get back. Get back. You want to go to jail next?
Don't hurt him.
All right. I got him.
Don't hurt him.
Get off.
Don't hurt him.
Let's go. Come on, you.
Calling all units. We got a report of a man trying to bypass the safety switch on his riding mower.
Let's go, Junior. Looks like we got ourselves a jumper. Yeah. Detective Dactyl here. We're on our way.